Oh.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
All
That's
right.
cool. So even if it's gone to sleep. So Tryon is about to put on his fancy skydiving goggles.
Yeah.
And we're gonna spin this truck around.
Yeah.
Sounded so sorry. We gonna spin this truck around.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good, boy.
But we're gonna see what falls off of this.
Come on, Bubba.
All right, seriously, enjoy the view of all the shit in the back of the truck.
Come on, Bubba.
We're going to
Get her done. We gonna get her done, boys.
We're gonna move around here so we get in a little smoother spot.
Where's that rock?
We're gonna have to go this way now.
I didn't think she had it in her.
My engine just exploded.
That was way better than I expected, to be totally honest with you. I think I may have even made like a scared face for a second there.
I sure as hope. I sure as should hope so. All right, here we go.
That's great. There's no shit handle I'm not using.
Hold on, Mikey. Which one's the brake? I fucking forget. All right, so the good news is there is another person on this piece of property right now, which means I'm gonna have to calm down. Otherwise, I would torture this fucker like a
Torture what?
madman.
This car?
And well, that too. You.
Oh, this fucker.
All right.
I'm this.
Good news is my eyes totally clear right now.
Totally clear right now?
Yeah, I can see everything. I'm saying like my eye pro is working.
As opposed to these, which won't ever be clear.
Oh my god. I have a feeling that this is already going to make it to my my super new Instagram channel.
That absolutely will.
Page.
Yeah. Dude, especially because when we started going through these things, all that like wheat started it started coming in.
Yeah, I know. It's just smoking the tires on
Great.
just that.
Okay.
All right, good times.
Now we're gonna learn how to edit this. We have no idea what to do with any of this footage which we are recording.
Sorry, that's habit. But it's gonna be fun.
We're gonna find out right now. You heard? So I'm gonna say something even though it's on camera. It's something I want, it's
All right.
private. But
Yeah.
hey, there's some standing water.
Hey, look at that.
We
Wish
just
you
drove
could see
through
this.
some more wetness.
Be able to see it.
So the dude that I met with, okay, so he makes his money. He just does
Almost the road
sales
again.
for that fucking company. So that's like stupid. That's nothing. But he does websites on his own. And
Okay.
he said he's actually going to be, come Q1 of next year, he's going to have too much workflow to handle on his own.
Oh yeah, you said that he's.
And I said, oh, what, were you grooming anybody else? Did you have someone in mind that, like, you know what I mean?
Everybody
You wanted
who's
to,
gonna, you know.
and then when I told him
in
that
that
you and me were
position?
getting into this, we were going to start learning about the video recording. He's
people
like,
love this shit,
dude,
man.
He blew up, and he was just like, dude, I would love a business partner that knew how to film stuff and edit. And I was like, oh, business partner, really? Now we're talking my language.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
That's the word.
I was
That was the combination
I was looking
of
to be an
words.
employee at the beginning of the conversation, and I would have been happy with that. For him to just be like, dude, I'll hire you fucking $15 an hour, and fucking, I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna learn a lot from him. You know what I mean?
I was talking to Ellen this morning, and she was like, people pay good money for this stuff.
So check this out. He said he's currently wooing away from. So there's this company called Legal Now Law Start, something like that. Is that the dude?
I can't tell. Is that just?
No, he had way better camouflage
No,
than that. And he was way over
I don't
there.
know what that is. Yeah, he's way up in the shop.
Oh, wait, want to go check?
I kind of want to know what that is.
So-
that is my job, right?
So, dude, yeah, he said that there's this company called Legal Law something or other, and it's a company that makes websites for lawyers specifically, and they charge something like $200 a month for upkeep, for maintenance on this website.
Yeah.
So they make a website for you, and he said, according to him, they're insanely simple.
It's a balloon. Some kid is crying someplace.
Very fucking big.
Don't worry. You'll get to see it too. There you go.
It's like a big
just a balloon.
frog balloon.
Care Bears and shit.
Oh, brightly colored. Anyway, so
You can edit my language. I did not see that coming.
no, me neither.
What the fuck did I just hit?
A stick that popped up and smacked the side of your truck.
I just hit it.
It hit the door.
Did it dent it? Did it scratch the paint, Mikey? I'm not supposed to be yelling. Sorry.
No. Yes. scratch the paint. Not through the paint though.
Oh, that's all that matters.
It's just like a white scuff.
Have you seen my hood?
And there's no.
Someday we'll show you guys
There's
my
also
hood.
no dent that I can see.
Oh, it's a dent-proof panel, obviously.
Maybe a slight dent.
Are you still looking at it?
But it did not
It
leak
was
all
a
the way through the paint,
joke
so you
to
don't have a
start with.
rust
That is
issue.
good. I appreciate that. There's the one issue with this thing.
But that was also on film.
Yeah, it was.
Something worthwhile having this fucker running all the
That's what
time.
I'm saying. That I believe me, that split-second clip is gonna make it into some video at some point.
Because I'm sure my face.
I was going, oh!
Yeah. I'm sure I jumped.
We're
or
not
something.
scared of shit. Don't worry about it.
So-
but that might get us.
Anyways, yeah. So this company that does websites specifically for lawyers, and then they charge this massive upkeep. And so this one law firm who's doing that and has, pays them hundreds of dollars a month. He said one of those lawyers is in his BNI group, and he spoke with him, and he said, we hired a new lawyer. It took them 2 months to add an about page for the new lawyer, which they wrote for him.
That's
All you need to do is smack it on the fucking website. It took them 2 months to do it, and they're getting paid $200 a month for this. And they charge $2,000 up front to make the website.
Oh yeah, of course.
He's like, if we could, literally, he's like, I'm trying to woo this one law firm away from them. And I was like, well, imagine we could film like a video for them too, like a commercial. And that could be part of the package that you offer, as well as,
Yeah.
because SEO is something they're offering. That's advertising no matter how you stretch it.
Period. That's
Yeah.
what that was the design for
Right.
from the beginning.
So, that's fucking huge. And he was like, I would love that if somebody would do that. And I was like, fuck, dude. He's like, because I have no desire to learn how to edit videos.
Yeah,
I've been
I get it.
aching to learn.
I get it. The only reason that I have a real desire is because one, it's cool and it's something that's just part of what is going to be happening in the world that we live in the U.S. So why
Videos?
not? Well, yeah, exactly. I mean, just that kind of thing. Social media is not going to go away, and
No.
videos of this type are going to be.
Dude, of every type. I'm not pigeonholing right now.
Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying that like, just to start with this is
Yeah.
there's just reason just
Now
for it
that
to
I
go
have,
for it.
see, I don't. Whoa, shoot it. Can you shoot him now, or her?
I don't know. I'm not deer hunting, so I'm not sure.
Where's he?
I don't know. He may have moved. If he moved already and didn't drop that, if he didn't drop that deer and he's there,
You can't shoot at a deer any time of year, can you?
no. But
It's a big healthy fucker too, huh? A
yeah,
healthy doe.
big healthy
That's
doe.
a white-tailed doe, right?
Yeah, they don't need to breed anymore. You can kill 3 of them every day of the season. The entire
Is it season right now?
season.
How long is the season? Oh, there he is, right there. So he got a turkey. You didn't take a shot at the deer? Oh, that deer just now. Did you see him? Did you see that deer?
The doe that pushed over there. No, yeah, it was right there.
I mean-
literally just ran across the road.
No, we actually sent 3 turkeys running your way.
We got down there and there were 3 turkey. I mean, all male.
There's the deer right there. He's right there. He's 200
there.
yards out.
So I pushed him. I don't know if you heard me messing around just down there. I circled him and pushed him back up this way, but they are right here.
Yeah.
There's no way
They're right in the opening playing with the cows.
Are you calling at all? Yeah, they're 3. Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
Good
they're
luck.
around.
Have fun.
Good luck to you. So I was like, oh, he got one. It was his fucking.
No, you say that. That's a decoy, man. No, what's funny is that I probably have video of this somewhere, but